Hope you enjoying Facebook these days because of Corona. 88% of online users of age 18 to 29 are on Facebook, and 84% of users are ages between 30 and 49. So companies are again focusing on Facebook for targeting these age groups. In 2020, Facebook is giving people more direct control over what they see, which has important repercussions for the Facebook algorithm. We are going to learn about algorithm. Before that, we have to know about a brief history of Facebook. Anyway, we'll learn about Facebook and YouTube, Instagram in detail about their advertisement plan, how to uh, air an advertisement, everything in other session. Here we are going to learn about how Facebook, YouTube, Instagram works on the basis of algorithm. See the basic history of Facebook. In 2004, Facebook was born. So its new news feed didn't show up until 2006. So in 2009 to 2019, that was a decade of other tinkering behind the curtain created the experience that billions of users now take of granted. So that is a decade where maximize the amount of time people spend on this platform. When we talk about 2015, Facebook, like introduction of see first feature. When we talk about 2016, prioritizing content based on the amount of time you spend. So it will prioritize content. Have an example, you like prank videos, definitely you in your home page prank videos will come. So that is a kind of algorithm. If you like a Mohanlal, every post of a Mohanlal would come. So in 2016 only Facebook came up with that feature. 2017 reactions have been changed. Erstwhile there was only one reaction, that is like. Then they have changed it into like, love, then like and love, something like that. 2017 they have given a number of reactions that are weighted more than likes. So like a heart or angry or a humor or something like that. You can see in 2018 meaningful interactions updates, that is the prioritization of a post that receive comments. In 2019 introduction of why am I seeing the post. It's a tool. You can decide whether to prioritize that post or whether to switch off. Let's get into the algorithm of Facebook. So Facebook have an algorithm called the edge rank algorithm. You can see the edge sigma, that is sigma is equal to edge rank is equal to u into w into d, where u is the affinity score, w is weightage, and d is time. We learn everything one by one. So before that we have to know about what is edge rank algorithm. So edge rank is the Facebook algorithm that you know uh, decides which stories appear in each user's newsfeed. The algorithm hides boring stories. So if your story doesn't score well, no one will see it. The first thing someone see when they log into Facebook is the newsfeed. This is a summary of what been happening recently among their friends on Facebook. So every action their friends take is a potential newsfeed story. So Facebook calls these action edges. So Facebook term it as edges. So these action will be call it as edges. So that means whenever a friend posts a status update, comments on other status update, tags a photo, or join a fan page, or reverse copy like RSVP to an event, it generates an edge action, and a story about that edge might show up in your or your user's personal newsfeed. So it had been completely overwhelming if the newsfeed showed all of the possible stories from your friend. So Facebook created an algorithm to predict how interesting each story will be to each user. So edge rank algorithm will be calculated with the affinity score into weightage and time. So let us discuss on affinity score. What is affinity score? So affinity score means how connected a particular user to the edge. For example, uh, uh, I have friends and I am connected with my brother on Facebook, and in addition I write frequently on his wall, and we have 50 mutual friends. I have very high affinity score with my brother, so Facebook knows I will probably want to see this status updates every time. Or if you are chatting every day with the person, definitely his post will be visible to you, same like your post will be visible to the person you chat. So this is what exactly. Or regular if you are commenting on like a fan page, all the you will get a chance to uh, view all the posts, all the updates by from that page. So Facebook calculate affinity score by looking at explicit action that users take, and factoring in the strength of the action, how close the person who took the action was to you, and how long ago they took the action. So how frequent, what is the connection between you and that person, and since how long you will do this, in the sense like you will chat, or you will like, you will share the content in between. So explicit action include clicking, liking, connecting, tagging, sharing, and friending. So each of these interaction has a different weight that reflects the effort required for the action. So affinity score measure not only my actions but also my friends' action and their actions also. For example, I commented on a fan page. It's worth more than if my friend commented, which is worth more than if a friend of a friend commented. So not all friends' actions are treated equally. If I click on someone's status update and write on their wall regularly, the person's action influence my affinity score significantly more than other friend who I tend to ignore. So let us check on edge weight. What is edge weight? So edge weight is none other than the comments, the like, the share for your post. So each category of edges has a different default weight. In plain English, this means the comments are worth more than like. So every action there that a user creates an edge. So and each of those edges except for click, then create a potential story. By default, you are more likely to see a story in your newsfeed about me connecting on a fan page than a story about me liking a fan page. So commenting is more important. So commenting gives more weightage. So that what happens if you post a picture or video, so you're getting more like, the visibility is less, but normal. But if you get more comment, the edge weight will go up. So comment matters more in Facebook. The algorithm will lift your post. So so Facebook may actually rank the act of commenting, liking is also there, visiting a fan page, or even a page differently depending on the source. For example, becoming a fan via an ad may have a lower edge score because we are promoting it. So organic edge score has more value. So next is time decay. If you're reposting the old one, it won't get more likes. Or you are downloading the old post and posting it again, you won't get likes because the edge rank will pull that post down because you have already done it. Okay, so as a story gets older, it lose points because it's old news. So Facebook won't promote old news or old content, etc. So edge rank is a mining score. Edge rank is actually a running score, not a one-time score. When a user logs into Facebook, their newsfeed is populated with the edges that have the highest score at the very moment in time. Your status update will only hit the newsfeed if it has a higher score. Okay, otherwise it won't comes to the newsfeed of other people. Okay, so higher value in the sense it should be fresh and it should get comments. That is what exactly we learned, edge weight, and it should have a affinity score. That is again like a more actions is needed. That is how connected a particular user to the edge means different people, and how you are connected with the different people. If you have, it doesn't mean that you will get more like if you have a 5,000 friends. No, you won't get. We'll get into detail about this in future. Okay, so next is Facebook algorithm ranking signals in 2020. As we discussed, if you typically interact with a person, then only your post will be visible to others. I mean, like people. If you have a 1 lakh followers in Facebook page, it doesn't mean all the 1 lakh will get the news feed of your updates. No. So the algorithm currently ranks the post each user sees in the order that they are likely to enjoy them. So based on variety of factors called the rank signals. So these three are the rank signals. So who are typically interacts with you, definitely weight will increase, edge rank weight will increase. So that if you have interacting with the 5,000 people at least a week, definitely there is a chance of receiving, or there is a chance of getting your updates on their news feeds. The type of media in the post, that is video, link, images. If you are directly uploading a video in Facebook, that video will get more like than a link copied from other platforms like a YouTube link won't get any like a good likes. If you are uploading a video in Facebook, an original content, definitely you will get. Image, if you are copying it from a Google and uploading, you won't get it. Next is popularity of the post. How much like you get, how much comment you like, how much share you get. So that makes more organic kind of edge rank. So this is how Facebook works. How can I optimize my fan page? Definitely you can optimize your fan page, or you can optimize your page, whatever it is. You can start your page, FB page, and optimize it. Okay, we'll learn more about FB and FB AdWords, etc. in another session. Thank you so much.